was literally sitting right there in the car. And I'm talking to my girlfriend, I'm saying to her like, this is definitely not the best time though, because you can literally see in the car that Sidem's like this, like arguing with him. Kartel's just sitting there drinking, but she's clearly shouting at him and getting onto him.
There's something deep within him where him still have feelings for Shanti.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we're gonna be touching into some topics about VYBZ Kartel and Sidem. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch. Also, we're at 223 subscribers now and we have a sub goal of 1000. So hit that subscribe button. Now on to the video. This internet user was witness to VYBZ Kartel and Sidem arguing. Listen to this.
Anyways, me and my girlfriend went down there, and at first, before we left the yard, I was like, we're not gonna see Kartel. There's no way. Maybe we're gonna go to the hotel and he's gonna be in his hotel room. What are we gonna do? Walk into his hotel room? Like, we're not gonna see him, innit? Straight. We've got out of the train station now, and bear in mind, I don't know where the hotel is. So my girlfriend's giving me directions. Oh, it's down here, it's down there, it's the next road, etc. I'm walking. I come across the hotel now, and I see two security guards outside the hotel. And then behind them, I can see VYBZ Kartel's son sitting down by himself. So I thought, right, that's little VYBZ over there. I've gone up to the security guards and I'm like, yo, what going on? Like, you up with Kartel? They're obviously saying, yeah. I look right and I see Sidem and Kartel parked up right next to me. So straight away I say, yo, Kartel, give him one salute. He puts his thumb up to me. These time them two are talking in the car. I said to the security guards, like, what? Can I take pictures? Can I like link him and chat to him? They're saying, nah, man, you can't. Right now, they're going through something. You can't really link the boss right now. So literally, I can see VYBZ Kartel and Sidem having an argument in the car, and his son, little VYBZ, sitting by himself over there just drinking, right? So I said to the security guard, let me just chat to the son, then let me get a picture of the son if Kartel's busy. The security guard's pretty much saying, I don't work for the son, I work for VYBZ Kartel. And the son's been in a mood from morning. That's what the security guard's telling me, right? So these time I literally pull out my phone and I'm about to take a video of VYBZ Kartel because he's literally in the car right next to me. The security guard's like, no pictures. You can see them arguing. Don't do that, man, don't do that. So obviously I thought, you know what? Kartel's there having an argument. I'm not really gonna come up to the car and film him while they're literally just sitting there arguing, right? It's not really the best look, right? And the security guards bigged them up because they was actually very, very nice to me. I can't lie. They were telling me exactly what's going on. They were literally straightforward with me and I respect them. Okay, so I'm chilling there now and I'm smoking a cigarette thinking, raw, like Kartel is literally sitting right there in the car. And I'm talking to my girlfriend, I'm saying to her like, this is definitely not the best time though, because you can literally see in the car that Sidem's like this, like arguing with him. Kartel's just sitting there drinking, but she's clearly shouting at him and getting onto him. I don't know why, but they're clearly arguing. Anyways, we chill there and the security guard says, yo, let me chat to you a sec. He pulls me to one side and he's like, yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't wanna tell you to wait here because right now, I don't think he's gonna be getting out of the car taking pictures. He literally left the hotel to argue with Sidem. Like, that's literally what the security guard said to me. They've been arguing. They've literally came out of the hotel to sit in the car to argue. So this is not the best time, bro. That's what the security guard's telling me, yeah? And I'm thinking, rah, I'm never gonna get this opportunity again still. Kartel is sitting right there. He's looking at me, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking at him, he's looking at me. There's no way in hell I'm gonna get this opportunity again. If I go to Kartel's show, there's no way I'm gonna come up to him and spud him at the show. So I'm thinking, all right, cool, bro. So yeah, I wait like another 5 minutes. Next thing you know, another girl pulls up, like, yo, Sidem, VYBZ Kartel. Yo, saying bare things, innit? Some other guy pulls up as well, like, yo, Kartel. They're getting onto the security guards, like, what do you mean I can't take a picture, etc. So also, guys, you have to remember, the only two people in the car is Sidem and VYBZ Kartel. Little VYBZ is sitting by himself, drinking. Literally just sitting on the chair outside the car by himself by like a little table bit where the hotel is, yeah? So he's not in the car listening to his dad arguing, obviously. Anyways, he goes into the car, little VYBZ goes into the car, and he comes out the car and says to the security guards, we're about to come. So he gets back in the car now, and you can see Sidem driving the car, obviously driving off, right? So we're there filming now, we're filming the car, etc.
One Kartel.
Security guards are like, yo, bro, come on, man. I did tell you, don't film. The guy was so respectful to me, I thought, you know, I don't want to violate him. I don't want to violate him and start filming Kartel when the security guard was bare nice to me. Do you know what I'm saying? So they drive off now. They stop at a red light. The security guards are no longer there. Now, the only people in the car is VYBZ Kartel, Sidem, and little VYBZ. No security around. I see them stop at a red light. I thought, you know what, it's now or never. So boom, they've drived off, stopped at a red light, and I've jogged over to the car and I'm like, yo, Kartel. I said something like, yo, how far we are traveling, a dog? Pretty much saying we've traveled a long way to come see you. Obviously we haven't. We literally took 2 stops on the train, 10 minutes away type shit, innit? But he doesn't know that. So I'm saying to him like, yo, far we are traveling, a dog? To even try get a spud or something, he picture anything, yeah? He eventually winds down the window and he's like, wow, go on, madded. I said, wow, go on, bro. I spudded him and I was like, one Gaza, big up yourself every time. He's like, yeah, man, bless up, man, bless up. And that was literally the only thing he said to me. After that, he winded up the window. I walked off and left him. Obviously, he was in the middle of the road, as you saw in the video.
Birdnation, please leave your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now on to the next clip. A woman is saying VYBZ Kartel is not happy with Sidem. Listen.
VYBZ Kartel out there. Where him say he move on with that woman. Him should be happy. He should even call shouting him in the mouth. So you know what that shows me? That show me say there's something deep within him where him still have feelings for Shanti. And he want the attention. Him just like, I feel call her name. Me don't know why. Like, something just not right. VYBZ Kartel, they're not happy with Sidem. I mean, no, so you're never going to go happy with Sidem because, I mean, like, she doesn't even look like a your type. She not fit you. Sidem not fit you. As a girl, it's a name something. Sidem just don't fit you. Sidem look like if you got with a pastor. If Sidem went with a Jamaican pastor man in the church, she don't fit that position. You understand what I'm saying? You know too. You understand? When a man really love a woman, them not remember baby mother name. Them just go pick up their woman and keep it moving. Yeah. Kartel, you're bitter. You look like you're just a bitter ex or a bitter ex-baby father who, you understand what I say? You're bitter. You're hurting. You understand? And it's sad if you know, say, you are Shanti left and you see them now, as Sidem cannot fulfill that hurt that you're feeling. You understand? Yeah? That's something not right. That's why I know, say, you see them relationship, I don't feel say go nowhere. Because a man who's fully happy and a woman very happy, they not go remember them baby mother name a blood cleat when they go club. Them just go say, big up my woman, see them, love your baby, and then move on. Why you have to mention Shanti name? It's not a good look. But that's how you go. You understand? When you left on your own people and go there with some whitey girl when have no vibes and no rhythm, I'll see them bring when I hear our soul, our ancestors them behind her. That's how I see them care. I go beat you. I beat you. The ancestors them. Yeah, we did enslave back in the days. See them ancestors them and them. I beat you. You understand what I say? Yeah, that's all she bring around here, our ancestors them. Yeah? Go beat you. Beat you here. All when you sleep, them are going to beat you. You understand? Because them not like we. Yeah? Them not like you as a black man. So that's all she bring from wherever she come from over England here. A ton load of blood clot ancestors that beat her down. You understand? So worry about that and pray. When you do that white woman, you have to pray. Or when you go bed, you have to pray. Because she alone in your house. All her ancestors them, yeah? When they like you, your kind, I beat you at night time. Worry about that and leave Shorty alone because Shorty now for look behind her. Because if Shorty go there with a one man, I want Jamaica, probably I want black man. Don't care if I'm American, African or whatever, I want black man she go there with. You understand? A strong black man. You understand? Strong black man don't do with white woman. A real strong man, black man, now go there with no white woman. So you lose your strongness. Yeah. You lose your strongness, VYBZ Kartel. So now go for Shanti. Go demons them in your house. Yeah, we see them bring in a hit our ancestors them and them if you go fight off. You understand? Yeah, the colonizer them. Yeah, you figure fight off and leave Shanti alone because you have a problem with Shanti and it not gonna work, leave her alone. You understand what I say? Yes, them ancestral juice where you get, yeah, a hit go choke you. Yeah, I eat no choke you. Yes. Yeah? Yes, I eat. Because you go cross the line and go live with one of them white tea girl where you don't understand the energy where them bring forth. You understand? For bring you down, for enslave your spirit, your mind, your body and soul being enslaved and all them something and drain your energy 24/7 because she see them have problem and she have low self-esteem because she's a whitey woman and she feel threatened by a black woman. You understand? So are you bring that in your own soul? You understand? So when she ready for you, no come this up shorty because you want she feel good. No do that. Be a man. Be a man. And leave shorty alone.
Please do share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Anyways people, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Also, please support us on Patreon if you can. It helps us out a lot. Anyway people, that's it for the video. Birdnation, stay sharp.